Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we embark on a captivating journey through the world of Golden Creeping Thyme, a delightful living organism with a storied past and a multitude of practical uses. Join us as we explore its history, unique characteristics, and essential tips for successful cultivation. Golden Creeping Thyme, scientifically known as Thymus serpyllum Aureus, has a fascinating history that traces back to ancient Mediterranean civilizations. This herb has earned endearing nicknames such as Mother of Thyme. Its native range includes parts of Europe and Asia, where it has been treasured for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. This low-growing perennial herb forms a lush carpet of tiny, golden yellow leaves, exuding a citrusy aroma that tantalizes the senses. Its delicate flowers, which bloom in hues of pink, white, or purple, add a touch of elegance to any garden. To cultivate Golden Creeping Thyme successfully, provided with full sunlight and well-draining, sandy soil. This drought-tolerant plant thrives in warmer climates and is an excellent addition to rock gardens, borders, and container arrangements. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Complement your garden with Golden Creeping Thyme's companionship. This herb attracts beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, promoting pollination and biodiversity. It also repels certain pests, making it an ideal companion to cabbage, eggplant, and tomatoes. Beyond its ornamental charm, Golden Creeping Thyme is a culinary delight. Its leaves add a zesty, lemony flavor to a variety of dishes, including salads, marinades, and teas. In traditional medicine, it is believed to possess antiseptic and calming properties, making it a popular choice in herbal remedies. And there you have it, the captivating world of Golden Creeping Thyme. Embrace its rich history, enchanting appearance, and essential cultivation tips to introduce this versatile herb to your garden and culinary creations. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as we continue to explore the diverse wonders of gardening and farming.